welcome to the video. First, I just want to say Happy New Year. By the time this video goes up, it'll be 2020, which is crazy, but also super exciting. I wanted to create a makeup look that was colorful but still wearable, surrounding around Pantone's color of the year, which is in the shade I believe called Classic Blue. I just know that the color is blue and it is beautiful, and I wanted to create a makeup look using blue but have it still be more wearable. So let's go ahead and begin. I started off with the eyes as always, and the first eyeshadow that I used was in the shade called U Latte, and I applied this all over the eyelids to act as a base. And then I went in with this shade called Down to Earth, and I applied this right on top of the U Latte eyeshadow, focusing on the eyelids. Next, I actually mixed the eyeshadows in the shades called Sugar and Spice and Yes You Canyon, and I applied these to the crease. I really like the way that these look mixed together. I think it's really pretty actually. So that was for the crease. And then I took a little bit of the eyeshadow in the shade called Bronze Bombshell, and I applied that to the outer corners of the eyes and blended it into the crease as well, just to add a little bit of shimmer and shine. For the blue part of this makeup look, again, I really wanted it to be more wearable, so I decided to focus on eyeliner, and I lined my upper lashes with this eyeliner in the shade called Deep Navy. And then whenever you're using colorful eyeliner, it's not really gonna give you the look of fuller lashes, so to kind of recreate that look, I went in with the charcoal eyeliner and I used this on the waterline of my upper lashes to still kind of give the look of fuller lashes while also being able to use colorful eyeliner. And then of course I finished off the eyes by applying the Lash Project mascara, which I applied this to the upper lashes, and I did about 1 to 2 coats there, and then I did apply a little bit of this to the bottom lashes as well. To finish off this makeup look, I applied the lipstick in the shade called Firecracker, and I chose this particular shade because it has a little bit more of an orangey color or tone to it, you could say, I guess, which really contrasts nicely with the blue, and they just work really beautifully together. So yeah, I just thought that that would be really nice. I would say that overall this is not a makeup look that I would probably wear in my everyday life, but I figured it would be a fun way to start the new year with something a little bit more colorful. So anyway, I hope that you all enjoy this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it, and leave a comment down below and let me know what one of your goals is for the new year. For me, it's just to continue working on my communication skills. I would say that while I'm okay at communication, there's definitely still some areas that I could work on. So that's one of my goals for the new year. I would love to know one of yours, so leave a comment down below, and until next time, take care, and I hope you have a great new year. Bye!